Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. We decided to take a ride up to camp and look what we found. Last week we had the biggest snowstorm of the year. Last Thursday, yeah, so about 10 days ago. And the only remnants really is what was on the roof of the old house. That come off in a hurry. That's why there's a big pile there. Same thing on the other side. So we're going to take a walk up. I've got 2 trees down that we noticed. One of them we just cut down. This one here goes right up there, and there's a stump right there, and there's a camper right there. So I'm glad it fell the direction it did. And the other one is further away, but I mean, you can see it's laying down. Birch, you get a little wind on a birch and they snap. Alright, we're going to take a walk up to camp and see how that's doing. The ground's still pretty soft, and you can see the water is running like crazy. Water's running like crazy. Love it. It's all coming out of the hill. You can see, I don't know if you can see the shimmer.
What's the shimmer?
But the shimmer is all the way, and there's the well up there. So I'm sure it's the well that's overflowing, which is a good sign.
I wish we could catch that water.
Boy, that water is so clean.
Yeah, I'd drink it right now.
Right out of the hill.
Spring water.
Yeah, spring water. Boy, it stayed good. It's actually pretty warm in here. If I had to guess, I bet it's at least 65 in here, if not 70.
Oh, I think
from the sun that's on the roof.
It feels warmer than the house.
Yeah. Stayed nice and dry. Obviously, well, that's a good thing. I mean, that's the way we built it, so it stayed dry.
Insulation in it yet, and it's this warm?
Yeah.
Wow. Guess we did better than we thought we did.
One of the first things I'll do when we do come up here is I'll measure the floor, the level, just to see if the building changed in any direction. Alright, so here we are back again to the beginning. Linda's over there looking at some of her trees. She loves the trees, loves the animals. We put out a whole bunch of apples because the deer are still coming up through here. A little bit of suet. Deer block. We'll see if we catch them on camera. Anyway, thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll be up here again before you know it. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe, please.